Hey there guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a really simple pressure sensor. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button and let's get started. And so guys, for this project, we're going to need two metal strips and a foam. And now we're going to hook up some wires to the metal strip. So after doing that, we're going to place the foam on top of one of the metal strips, and we're going to place the other metal strip on top of the foam, and then we're just going to have to tape that down, and remember not to add pressure when taping it down. And so now we're going to do a mixture of salt and water, and then we're going to dip the sensor into the solution. So we're going to dip this for a while and then take it out and just press some of the water out. And so now guys, we're going to hook this up to a multimeter and see if it actually works. So now we're going to tune the meter's knob to the continuity mode. And now we're going to connect the multimeter's probe to the sensor's terminals. And as you can see guys, we have some reading. And watch what happens when I press down on the sensor. And as you can see, we have a decrease in resistance. And as you can see guys, it actually works. And so guys, here's what we're going to do. We're going to connect an LED in series with the sensor, and also we're going to hook up a power supply in series with the sensor and also the LED. And let's see if it's going to decrease the brightness or yeah. So let's try that out and see if it's going to work. And so guys, as you can see here, the LEDs are already dimmed because of some resistance in the sensor. So watch what happens when I press down onto the sensor. And as you can see here, we have an increase in brightness. And so guys, as you can see, there is water leaking out from the sensor to show that this sensor is not efficient enough. So if you want to make this project efficient, you can just go ahead and replace the foam with carbon felt. Yep, carbon felt is going to work pretty good. So if you like the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new, and stay creative and stay safe. Goodbye.